So I just got off the train and I'm almost home. So it's been just 5 minutes and I'm already home. So let's take a look inside this ground floor, 3-bedroom apartment. So we step straight into our generous size lounge and dining room, which is perfect for you just to sit down, relax, and enjoy the rest of your day. Got great proportions to the kitchen with great benchtop space and new appliances. Now on your Sundays, this is a perfect spot to have your own private courtyard just to sit and unwind. Hey guys, I'm all the way back here. If you've got 2 cars, no problem. Leave the cars at home and commute. With new lighting, fresh paint and new carpets, all you need to do is move straight in.